Meaning of fractured.
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 Fractured. The word fractured can be used to describe something that has been broken or cracked, often resulting in multiple pieces. It can also refer to an event or situation that has caused division or disunity among people, groups, or beliefs. Fractures can occur in physical objects, such as bones, or in abstract concepts, such as relationships or organizations. The result of a fracture can vary depending on the context, but it often involves some form of damage, separation, or dysfunction. The severity of a fracture can range from minor to severe and can have long-lasting effects.